In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Wise to bank account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to enter, and how to avoid common mistakes so your transfer arrives smoothly. First, go to the Send section in your Wise app or on the website. This is where every transfer begins. You'll be asked to select the currency you want to send. Pick the currency that matches what you want your recipient to receive. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar and choose the correct option. Selecting the right currency at the start helps Wise calculate the fees and delivery estimate accurately. Next, enter the amount. You can type how much you want to send from your side, or switch the field to set how much you want your recipient to receive. Wise will automatically show the current exchange rate, the fee, and the estimated arrival time. This live breakdown is helpful for budgeting and timing. If you're aiming for a specific amount on the recipient's end, set it there and let Wise do the math. Take a moment to review the numbers so there are no surprises later. When the amount looks good, choose Add Recipient. This is where you tell Wise who's getting the money. Since we're sending to a bank account, select Enter Bank Details. This ensures the transfer goes directly into their bank rather than to a wallet or card. Now, carefully enter the bank account details for your recipient. You'll typically need the full name of the account holder exactly as it appears on their bank account, the account number or IBAN, and, for international transfers, the SWIFT BIIA. For domestic transfers in some countries, you may also need a routing number or sort code. Make sure the bank's country and currency match what you selected earlier. Double-check every field for typos. One digit off can delay or cancel a transfer. If your recipient shared details with you, copy and paste where possible to reduce errors. And there you go. That's the core of it. Wise will reflect the fees, exchange rate, and delivery estimate based on what you entered, so you always know what's happening. If timing matters, keep an eye on the estimated arrival. Bank processing times can vary by country and currency. If anything looks unclear, adjust the amount or currency before moving forward so the transfer aligns with your plan. That's all. You've selected the currency, set the amount, added your recipient, and entered their bank details. Follow the on-screen prompts in your Wise app to wrap up, and your money will be on its way.